Alright guys, I'm back at Premier Auto Spot. I'll drop off these ceramic coatings. This SS. Sheesh. Yo! What's up, man? Check it out. This is the giveaway truck from Troqueando. What's up, bro?
Doing alright?
Yes, sir. What's up, bro? What'd you do to it? Paint correction?
Yeah, we're gonna do the paint correction and the ceramic coating.
Hey, how bad was it?
That was pretty bad, bro.
Yeah?
It's still bad on this side, but we haven't done that side yet.
Alright.
Come on, push.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that shit was bad, bro. Like the whole fucking hood was.
He always gets some paint corrected, right? Guys, I'm here at Premier Auto Spa. They're right next to Baybrook, 45 South, so really close to the mall. And they got a treat. They have the Troqueando giveaway truck. They're paint correcting and about to apply a ceramic coating that they just bought off of me. So, pretty cool. Clean as truck. I think I like So they have another side, another shop, another Corvette.
The green one right here is Mondo. He's trying to get this one restarted. Still building these.
Yeah, we got some welding. They welded here to go put in the.
Oh wow! What is this some more for? Like a quarter mile? 8 mile? Yeah, it's just to go fast straight, huh? Wow. And his motor's just sitting here. How long is it? Nice. Pro Charge. What a beautiful lineup. Honestly, I'll take the boat.
Yeah, Mondo's polishing it right now.
Great job.
Already did this side right here.
Oh, and he's going rotary. Check it out, guys. He doesn't have the cars out right now. It is Monday morning. But usually has the cars right there. Let's check out his shop. I need to put a sticker right here for myself. What's up, bro? Pásale. Chilling. Ahí lo puedes dejar por el... Thank you, man. So that's it, guys. That's gonna be the most viral Carne Seca. Back in stock. So it'll be at my store. Yeah, come and support your boy. But damn, check out what Freddie did to his store, man. This thing. That's your boy right there. A ver si cuando un día I get to this level. Just make sure you support the channel, guys.
Estamos otra vez, compadre, los hermanos Rodríguez con algo sabrosón y movido para que le baile bonito. Suéltale, compadre, dice.
So check it out, guys. Alright, well that's a wrap. I'm gonna go back to the store. Make sure you come to my store and buy the product. Check it out. La mera verga. Oh shit. Pit King.
Ya saben, ahí estamos con I.detail, ahí tiene la carrita de fuego más pasada de lanza y ya saben, también se ocupan algo para hacer detail su carro, jabón, ya sea
Tire shine, el wax, el ceramic coating, ahí lo
de
tengo,
todo,
bro.
ahí está con I.detail, ya saben, aprovechen de una vez que van a ir a agarrar las partes, agarren la carrita fuego más viral que está, ahí está, ya saben.
Gracias.
I.detail, ahí estamos.
Ya está.
Listo.
Ahí nos miramos, bro.
Ándale.
So I'm getting the stoplight killer fixed. Not really fixed. I'm just changing the rotors and the brakes, and they were bad. They were squealing. It was just embarrassing. They were bad. I got my guy. Green's Mobile Mechanic. Hit him up. Got all the tools, the jacks. Check it out. Brand new. He's doing them fast, so he knows what he's doing. So you're gonna see this car more on the channel. Trying to do some dig races with like trucks, like trucks, you know, 300 horsepower, 400 at the most. Because this is a all-wheel drive, so I'll do a dig. Y'all make sure y'all hit them up. Yeah, bro, they were fucking bad. You know, I already knew I was gonna get rotors, so I went all out. You know what I mean?
Might as well use it so you can't use it no more, right?
Exactly. And then I was gonna get some cross drills, blah blah blah, but nah. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it, make this thing look good, because it's been kind of dirty. So this is the before. Check it out. She's looking clean now. Well-deserved wash. Poor baby. She's a stoplight killer, guys. I think I should start taking it out to some dig nights. Call out right now. 300 horsepower trucks, anything that's cammed. 350 horsepower, 400. I might be pushing it there, but anything that's 300, 350, let's do some digs. All right, let's go. So guys, I'm closing the store. I'm closing the store for like about 2 hours, so I apologize if you come to my store. I'll give you a discount. Make sure you call me. I put a little sign right there that says running an errand, we'll be back soon. To top it off, and I'm over here like stressed because we're leaving kind of late, and I don't like to close my store, you know, because it could be a potential customer, right? Yeah. And I can make a sale. But I just had a detailer call me, and he's like, yo, Can I get a ceramic coating? And I was like, sure. Can you deliver? I'm like, you know it. Appreciate to the detailer. I'll give him a shout out whenever we pull up. But he's buying the Onyx Quartz Plus that I sell. This is the new version. I sell it for $105. It's a 3-year plus ceramic coating. And thank you, sir, for supporting the channel too, because that's where the money's really coming from.
Yeah.
We got the street racing permits that we're gonna give away, and then in the back are where the street drifting. Somewhere in there. In the bag.
Yeah, in the bag.
But we're gonna give these away, guys.
Yep.
Anyway.
Míralo.
I'm not trying to tailgate them, but
Yeah.
throwing rocks, bro.
Not for real.
Anyway, let's go meet up this guy. I haven't seen this detailer in about a year. I'm glad he hit me up, Dr. Detail.
Yeah.
Good people used to hit me up a lot. So one thing about this year, bro, is that I'm getting a lot of OG customers coming back and buying from me. People that I haven't seen in like years and even months.
Yeah.
So cool.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, bro.
He's buying a box of ceramic coating, Dr. Detail. He's got his own product line, so make sure you hit him up. I'll put the link in the description down there.
I'm a boy.
Boys rock slab. I live down the end, no.
I want to be another way, but I ain't feeling that. They try to steal that. In my way, they want to feel it. Still the fact remains. It's all about the thing. Swinging bang. I didn't see that video. I got the label printer.
Alright guys, that's it. That's the delivery run. This was a kind of nice one because, you know, he brought his own setup. And he's over here on the north side of Houston. Hit him up, Dr. Seca.
Yeah. Vámonos. Oílo, los dos de Tamaulipas. Right, Benny? We got downtown over there, guys.
En el sonido suenan corriditos para amenizar la estación, la de bendecida. Y la morrita le gusta subirse para sentir la adrenalina. Aquí hay para todo, no vas a mentir. Que arriba los dos de Tamaulipas, viejo.
Hey guys, I got the Swinger boys out here in Houston. I'm that boy. They look clean. Hell yeah.
Hell fucking yeah. make sure you check out AP Raps. Go on Instagram. My guy does a bunch of raps. Badass work. I'm gonna put the link, well, not his name, on the screen. Good shit, bro. And he's got other fucking sports cars. Badass cars, too. Good shit, bro. You be safe, way.